to EdPark channel. I'm Augustus. In this video, we are going to learn about adjectives. First and foremost, I shall define what is adjective, and thereby we shall move on to the types of adjectives. In the types of adjectives, we are going to see the adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and finally possessive adjectives. Later, I will be defining each adjective and then a few examples for each. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Let's begin today's topic, adjectives. To understand adjectives, look at these pictures first. Do you recognize them? Look at them carefully and try to identify them. So the first picture is the splendid Roman Colosseum. The second picture is the amazing Great Wall of China. The third picture is the majestic Pyramid of Giza. Fourth picture is the marvelous Chichen Itza. Fifth picture is the enormous statue of Christ the Redeemer. Sixth picture is the impressive Leaning Tower of Pisa. And the seventh picture is the magnificent Taj Mahal. Look at the words which are highlighted, such as splendid, amazing, majestic, marvelous, enormous, impressive, and magnificent. So the word splendid, amazing, majestic, marvelous, enormous, impressive, and magnificent. These words describe the nouns. So they are adjectives. They describe the nouns. That is why they are known as adjectives. Now let's see for the definition of adjectives. So we can define adjectives as words that describe a noun are called adjectives. Apart from this definition of adjectives, what you can see on the screen, we can define adjectives as adjectives are the words that describe a noun are called adjectives, or adjectives are the words that add something to the meaning of a noun. Now let's move on to understand the types of adjectives. There are mainly 6 types of adjectives. First, adjectives of quality. Second, adjectives of quantity. Third, adjectives of number. Fourth, adjectives of demonstrative adjectives. Fourth, demonstrative adjectives. Fifth, interrogative adjectives. And sixth, possessive adjectives. So now let's see some examples for each one of them. Let's begin with the adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality tells us or describe the quality of noun. Let's try to understand through examples. Look at these examples. The magnificent Taj Mahal was built by a Mughal emperor. The majestic Pyramid of Giza is in Egypt. The word magnificent and majestic describe the quality of noun. So magnificent describe the quality of Taj Mahal and majestic describe the quality of pyramid. So therefore words such as magnificent, majestic are called adjective of quality. Now let's look at adjectives of quantity. So adjectives of quantity tells us about the quantity of nouns. Let's try to understand through the examples. All students love their teacher. Some girls are very quiet while a few boys are very talkative. So the words all, some, few describes the noun students, girls and boys, and they tell us the quantity of nouns. So therefore words such as all, some, few are called adjectives of quantity. Now let's move on to see adjectives of number. There are two types of number, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Words such as 1, 2, 3 are called cardinal numbers, and words such as first, second, third, fourth, etc. are called ordinal numbers. Now let's try to understand the adjectives of number through examples. There are 40 students in the class. Second, only 3 or 4 students are very naughty. Third, first athlete is a good runner. Look at the word 40, 3, 4 and first. They tell us number of nouns. So they qualify the nouns students and athlete. So therefore words such as 40, 3, 4, first, second, etc. are called adjectives of numbers. Now let's look at the demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives is used to point out nouns. Let's try to understand through example. This book is mine. Those pens are very old. So the word this and those point out the nouns, and nouns are book and pens. So words such as this, that, these, those, which point out to nouns are called demonstrative adjectives. Now let's quickly see interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. Let's see examples. What food would you like to have? Which film do you like the most? Whose bat is this? So look at the word what, which and whose. They are used along with the nouns, that is food, film and bat. So therefore these words are interrogative adjectives. So we can say words such as what, which, whose are called interrogative adjectives. And finally let's look at possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show the possession of nouns. Let's try to understand through examples. This is my car. That is your bag. It is our school. Look at the words my, your, our. They show the possession of the nouns. Therefore, words such as my, your, our, his, her are called possessive adjectives. In this way, we have learned in this video what is adjective, the type of adjectives and a few examples. I hope you have gained something from this video. If you have some queries and doubts, please do ask. I would love to respond your queries and questions. Thank you.